In this video, I will be disassembling a 2014 Chevy Silverado headlight.
Here's the part number on the light. If you simply want to remove the projector, you can do that from the rear of the light using the upper access hole. You can remove the 4 screws holding on the projector and simply pull it out of this hole. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the bezel is connected to the lens. I will begin by removing the 2 outside reflectors. They are held in place with T20 Torx screws. The main projector bracket is held in place using 3 mounts. There's one here, and one in the upper corner. I will begin by trying to pop off the 2 in the center. First, I will try to pop off the outside projector mount. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers and simply lift up on this mount until it pops off. Next, I'll use my long needle nose pliers and reach through to the other side and do the same to the outside projector mount. At this point, the 2 center projector mounts are both free. In order to loosen the upper projector mount, I will use a Phillips head screw in this adjuster and turn it left until the projector moves forward. With the adjuster loosened all of the way, I can now reach my hand behind the projector mount and pop it off of the final mount. Here you can see that this one finished breaking while I was trying to pull it off. Next, I will remove the 4 T20 Torx screws holding the projector in place. Here's the headlight projector. We can see that it has been pressed together and cannot simply be taken apart. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.